Header, footer, and welcome. We can copy from yesterday folder and we can paste into the frame set example. Yesterday files even I have sent in the chat also. In case if you are a friend, you can download from the chat and then keep in current folder, that is called frame set. So header, footer, and welcome file, you copy from the input tab and paste under the frame set example. Copy from the input tab, header, footer, and welcome, and paste under the frame set example. Okay, ready? Folder, header, footer, welcome. You kept under the frame set example. Now in frame set example, you will create one file, index1.html. In frame set example, you will create a file index1.html. 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 In index1.html, we will use only HTML and frame set. HTML tag open close. After that, frame set tag open close, and you will keep a row wise division as we made yesterday. A row is equal to 10% height first row, 70% height second row, 20% height last row, and even border equal to 0. There will not be any type of lining inside. You will write next call frame src equal to header.html, that will occupy the first 10%. Second frame will occupy the 70%, that is welcome. Third frame will occupy the footer. Header, welcome, footer. Header, welcome and footer. Header will go to the 10%, welcome will go to 70%, footer will go to the 20%. And between each frame, you will not get any kind of border because we have written 0. Let's save it and check once. It should look like this, as we have made the yesterday last page, something like this to divide into 3 blocks. Okay, ready this file. Now come to the next file, that is called your header file. In header file, we will add here links, navigation. Okay, so check now your this index 1 is completed. Index 1 dot html if completed, we can look for the next file. Index 1 is under the frameset folder. Index 1.html file is under the frameset folder. In the frameset folder only you have kept your all 3 header, footer and welcome of yesterday file. This is the frameset folder. Under this we have kept header, footer and welcome. And today we created the page called index 1. Index 1. Okay, now go ahead to the header file. You can open your header file from the frameset folder. Header file open from the frameset folder. Header file open from the frameset folder. In that header file, paragraph was written, you can remove that. So you can go to the frameset folder, right click on the header file and open with the Notepad++, something like this. Find your file in FriendZ folder, do the right click and open with Notepad++, or maybe open with VS Code, whichever the editor you are following. You can select from here. VS Code is also there. Now we can go inside and we can write a table. Under the table, you can keep align center, cell padding or cell spacing is also fine. Cell spacing, give 10. Okay, between two cells, there will be gap of 10 pixel, and we can write one TR. We can write one TR. Then we can follow one TH. Under the TH, we can write A href equal to, just write here home. Will not give any file name now. We'll give the file name after completing of the remaining other pages. So home will come, about, contact, about us, contact us, our services, then login and register. Login and register. These all links we need to add. Okay, I wrote it. Now if you run the index file, you will find navigation will appear. In index file, spacing is not much. Cell spacing I have given. Let me apply cell padding. Space is not there between two links. Much space. We have more space. 10 need more. 13, 14. The 10 more. 15. 15 you can give. cell padding 15. More space will come between two links. Cell padding, what is doing? Inside the TH, the E tag you have written text home. The home will leave 15 pixels from left, right, top, bottom. Your TH will look spacious. Second TH will also spacious. So all the TH will have sufficient gap. It will give proper space. Okay, so hyperlink is ready. Next we can what will be the next work is like we will create one more file. Their design will be header will be same, footer will be same. The white section you can see in white section two column will get created. One column will be in the left side and one column will be in the right side. Left column will be less spacious, right side column will be more spacious. Okay, so that you can try in next file as a index2. Okay, so I will share you this TR to TR in your chat. You can use this also if any error. Table to table should be there. Inside that, I send you the code TR to TR. Right, next after this, come to the next file index2. Create next file index2 .html. Index2 file, you can take copy of index1. You can take copy of index1. We can take copy of index1. Okay, copy of index1. And after this, after this, 70% height is going to this file. That is called welcome.html, middle frame. You can delete that. First 10% height will go to the header file. Last 20% will go to the footer file. Middle 70% of height. Height is 70%, where width is 100%. Let me show you here. So height is 70%, but width is full width. We wanted to split the width into two sections, two columns, left column and right column. So that frame what we have written, we removed that. Now you open here another frame set, and in this frame set you will write calls equal to okay, calls equal to, we will write here first column will be 25% width and second column will be 75% of the width. Height is 70% only. Height is 70% itself. The width was 100%. That you are breaking into two sections. Okay. Now come inside this frame, the middle frame, and the 25% width you have written false. In that we will call another frame. That will be something left.html. Left.html, and 75% width you have. In that you will call the again welcome.html. So the middle section will split into two blocks, 25 and 75. Okay, got it? Frame set, frame tag open, frame tag close. Inside src left.html, welcome.html. You can run this file, index 2. You will find left side will say page not found because left.html is not exist. Left.html is not exist, right? Left.html is not exist. Okay, left.html is not exist. Next, after that, let me run this file. So we can see left side is saying page not found. Right side again welcome page appear. So now middle part, the height of 70%, you split it into two columns, 25 as well as 75. So we require to create a file left.html, create file left.html, and then give bg color sky blue. Okay, so written index 2 file, look similar, index 2 file. Left.html you can create, bg color sky blue. HTML you start from. Next you can follow the body tag. You can write the bg color again, sky blue, and inside you can write one h3 today updates. You can keep align center. So it will print in the middle. Next, after that, which will write one marquee tag. In marquee tag, you will write direction equal to down. In this, whatever the text you will add, it will scroll down automatically. It will start scrolling down. You will keep one paragraph. Welcome to something, or we can write here scrolling using marquee tag. Let me write next paragraph. Direction is down. Let me write one more paragraph. The speed is default. The speed is default. Scrolling using marquee tag. Direction is down. The speed is default. Okay, check again index 2. You will find the text will scroll from top to bottom in the sky blue area. Index 2 file we need to run. Happening should be like this. Scrolling is happening within the limited area. We have to set the height for that. Then it will scroll in more areas. So you can write for marquee height. Somewhere 350. So 350 pixel height marquee will take, and in that 350 pixel height, the text will scroll top to bottom. Okay, hope your marquee is working and text is scrolling down. up to 350 height. Let me know index2.html is working. Index2.html. Index2. You need to run index2. Okay. The more properties are there, if you want to use, you can use here. Like in marquee tag only, you have one property called, you can write in the same after 350 behavior, BEHAVIOR. Behavior equal to alternate. Behavior equal to alternate. So the text will not finish completely. It will go up, come down, go up, come down. In the same area, text will move up, down, up, down. Okay. Text will move up, down. You can see it will go up. Again, it will come down. That is because of behavior alternate. Behavior BEHAVIOR equal to alternate. You can set a speed also. SCROLL scroll amount equal to if you are giving lower number like 1, 2, 3, it will be slow. If you give more number, higher number, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, it will be fast. Suppose I'll give little 10. So it will become fast. Okay. Very fast up down will happen. Very fast up down will. Right. So those are the property using that we can control the activity of marquee tag. Okay, next we can move on for the next functionality that is important for frame set. What functionality is, like suppose you have created a navigation here. When you click on any link, the content should appear in the right side. Okay, we click on contact us Contactors should appear in the right side. Top, left, bottom will be fixed always. Only the white block will be dynamic. According to our click, the content will change in the white. So for that, what we have to do, come to the index2 file. In index2 file, we need to first understand user will click, and after clicking, where you want to change the content. Once user will click, we want to change the content. But where you want to change the content? We want to change the content in the right side. User will click in the header and content should come in the right wall of that white area. Index2 file, if you look, header user will click, that is the top 10% of current file. In header user is going to click. Footer have no any intention, it remains same always. Left side also no changes. The content should change in the right side. That is called welcome frame. This frame where the by default welcome file you are calling, there only we want to change the file name dynamically. So how the system will understand where to change the content? So for that, we have to write a name for those area where you want to change the content. So go to the welcome frame, write a name equal to any name. My block. Okay, my block you given. Maybe you will give a space, that will be wrong. Okay, so let me write here block 1. Okay, so you will write here call name equal to block 1. Okay, ready? Name equal to block 1. So under the block 1, by default, welcome file is calling. If user will click on login, so in block 1, the file name has to change. If user will click on contact, under the block 1, the file name has to change. Then only the new name file will call. So in index2 file, only you give the name equal to block 1, that's all. This name can be anything. ABCD XYZ without a space, lowercase, write anything is fine. Now coming to the header file. In header file, whenever we click any link, it will load a file, and when it load a file, we will write target equal to block 1. Target equal to block 1. So load any file, but where? Under the block 1. Block 1, whichever the file is exist by default, that will get replaced by another file. Automatically the content will change in the right side. So block 1 you have written without any name. Assume this is the address. Block 1 is nothing but address of a area. That dimension is 75% width and 70% height. The area name is block 1 and this height is how much? 70% and width is how much? 75%. That becomes one address. Now come to your header file. In header file, whenever you are going to click on any link, you have to call the file, but you have to mention the address where it has to load. So you can go here, home click, call welcome.html. Okay. About click, call about.html. Contact click, call the contact.html. Service click, call the service.html. Login click, call the login.html. Register click, call a file register.html. So first add the name of the file. Okay, ready? Names we have given. Now we have to write the target property. When you click on any link, the page will open. There is no doubt in that. But where this page will open, that location we have to target from here. Okay, so you have to write target equal to block 1. Okay, when you click on home, welcome file will load, but where it will load? Under the block 1. About also target equal to block 1. Everywhere target equal to block 1. You can copy and paste. Everywhere we can write target equal to block 1. Same target. So you will click on any link, whichever the link you click, their respective page will open, but it will open under the block 1. It will open under the block 1. Okay, written everywhere. Target 1, target equal to block 1, block 1, block 1. If you click on any link, right side it will say page not found. Whereas if you click on home, the welcome file will appear. Because welcome file is exist. We have to create this about contact service login register. After that we can test. But first to write the target everywhere, give the name of the file. Next we'll create the files. After that we'll run it. Okay, create written. So target equal to 111 everywhere, block 1. Now come create next file about.html. You will create next file about.html. Basic HTML page will create. We'll write something hello hi and we'll understand whether page is loading or not. So about.html, next file. HTML, next file. You can write here HTML, open close, body tag open close. HTML open close, body tag also open. Next, H1 open close, about us, write one paragraph and keep some content. Okay. ABCD, ABCD, you can write anything. Okay, coming next, what is the next file? Called contact. So create next file, contact.html. Copy wrote about file. Next file you can create contact. HTML open close. Same again. Body tag. Again H1 tag. Simple. Contact us. Let it is this. Similar way, create remaining other files also. That is called service login and register. Service login and register. Create 3 more files. Okay, so we'll copy this content, paste in the next file, our services. Service.html. Next file we can create login. Same way, just heading you can write login and register. Change here for login. Save it. Login.html. And one more file create on register. That we can write here call register. Okay, so hope your all pages are ready. Now you can click on the links and see content is changing. Click on any link, your content will change in the middle section. White block. Left file is just moving automatically, no changes in that. Upper section header is also fixed. Footer is also fixed. Content is keep changing under the middle section. That is based on target. Anyone open the new tab? New tab. If you click on hyperlink, it's opening the new tab or no? New tab. No, it should work like this. See, if you click here, then automatically open the new tab, that means wrong. When you click on the link, the content should appear under the middle section. That should work. That's the requirement. Please check once if any error in the sense, if you are clicking and opening the new tab, you let me know in the chat. You may have not saved the file. You should save it, then run. This file you wrote. VS Code. Right click on that. Click on more app. Or go there, just cancel it. Click off now. Do right click, select properties. In properties, we have option for change. Select the come down. Continue your search. Another one, this is click on Zoom. Now, more time. How to find the mistake? We're not paying any. Click on the link. Another one. Replace the. Now click on it. Save all the files. It's not saved, but goal is saved. Like another one about run index 2 now. Run this. Then run header file. Header. This hyperlink where you wrote this. Now you write it. Okay, so check now. Say yes, no, yeah. It's all are complete silent. You're not doing anything. You should reply no, error, no error. If you not reply, then it's like a YouTube video. You must say yes, no. Live class meaning is that only, no? You must interact. Say yes, working, not working, error, any error, I'll guide you. If you not speak anything, then what will be benefit? Okay, working for 3 people. Suvendu, then is what about Shakti? Shakti, then other one. Okay, just wait 2 minutes. One more person is writing these lines. You can write one line and copy paste and change the file and text. written tier. Take now on click is loading on loading. Okay, now come to the pages. Okay, here we have made two columns. This file is working since in this file we have written the target property. If you run index one file, that will not work. Index one file you open and click here, it will open the new tab. Index one file, if you click any link, it will open the new tab. Because in index one, we have no any property called block one. We have not written any target called block one. Open index one file. In index one file, index1.html, you are calling welcome in middle. For the same frame, you will write name equal to block one. Because in header file, we are given target equal to block one. And that target is not available. The location is not available. So it will open a new tab. Location is not available. So it will open a tab. Okay. Now click on refresh the page, click on links. You will see if you click on top, your content will appear again in the middle. In index one, I am talking. Index two, it was happening. It was going to the right side. But in index one, you don't have column wise. It is just as a row wise. So you will click in first row and content will change in the second row. Something you should refresh the page. In index one file, you will go to the second frame and you will write name equal to block one. Right? Complete. Now, whichever the files we have created, like suppose this is the register page, you will create a register form in this. Login page, you will create a login form. Service page, you can display something. Contact us, you can display contact form here. About us, some text. Home also some kind of text. Now, based on this, what you should do, if you go to the LMS, in the LMS application, assignment tab, HTML assignment, if you come down, this one you can see, last one, this one, this is similar like what we have made, but one block is extra here. See, orange till orange we have made, you can see till orange we have made, but in this assignment, one more line is there, blue line. So in this assignment, total first row, second row, third row and fourth row. Total 4 rows are there. In our page, we have made first row, second row as well as third row. Which file if you look, you will get idea. In index 2 file, if you see, first row 10%, second row 70%, third row 20%. But from this 20, 70, 30 only, you have to minus something and you have to create one more row. Okay, maybe 10%, 10%, and then 60%, and then 20%. From 70, you can minus 10% and you can create one more row. And that should look like this. That should look like this. In that, first block is blue, second block is orange with the navigation, third row is the 2 columns, last row is the green color. Okay, so you can say one file is info, second file is header, third is left, then maybe client, and after that footer. Okay, in our page, here what we did, we made header, we made footer, we made left, and in the right side, based on click, the pages are coming, right? So your assignment is also similar, just one line extra you need to add, one row, as well as when you click here, the pages will appear in the right side, and page will have some different type of design. So for example, if I go to the, you can say first one, home page, welcome page, you can see photo how it is coming. H1, after that one paragraph, and then 3 to 5 photos. First photo height 100, second photo height 150, third photo height 200, fourth photo height 150, and fifth photo height 100. So its width is same, height is different. And after the photo, one more paragraph, it will look like this. Photo width is same, height is different. IMGSRC tag you can use. Let me show you the next. This one, this is a contact us form that you have made multiple contact pages. You can try like this. Third one, little complicated, service page. You can try something. Left side photo, right side text. It is table. This is one TR inside the TH and TD. This is another TR, TH and TD. This one, again table only. In one table, 2 TR. One TD, this one, and second TD, this one. TD wise. Next one, what we have? Table listing. Okay. So this 4, not 4, how many? 2, 4, 5 photos are here. This will be your homework for today. You can try this using frame set. You can create example, frame set example 2. In that you can try, and then header footer, you have got idea. Same way, when you click on the links, the pages should appear in the middle. When you click on this link, page should appear in the middle. So total 2, 4, 5 links are there. And here also you can see 5 pages are there. First page is home, second page is contact, third page is services, fourth page is product, and the fifth page is client. Okay, according to that, it's sequentially is arranged, so you will try it. Okay, next, after, based on your assignment, we'll see next. We will enter into the CSS soon only, maybe tomorrow or maybe from Monday. But do this and let me know. Then if we feel like you are missing anything, we'll spend some time again. If you are okay, if you are able to do, then we'll move ahead. This assignment, which one? Set number 5. First you try the 6th one, then you can come to the 5. Okay. Study video internet was not there. So I uploaded today. You can have a look. Study video, there was a little internet problem.